Hey, this is Grant from CNA Fabrication, where we create welding kits to help you get straight to the good stuff. So you just got into welding and you're kind of looking around and trying to figure out what are some tools that are going to make your life a little bit easier. Here's a bunch of tools that I find really useful. To start it off, we'll go over welding magnets. This is probably going to be your first tool that you buy. I know it was mine and a lot of other welder buddies. These ones are just some cheap ones that I picked up. I think I got them from Home Depot. Can't really remember, but use them pretty much every day. The next tool is going to be clamps. Now, when you're welding something, you're going to realize you wish you had a third hand, and these clamps are going to make it a lot easier. Here we have the soft jaw ones. These are nice for just quickly putting something together. And then you have your standard C-clamp. These are great. You can put a lot of pressure through these and kind of bend pieces into place if you need them. Two tools I highly recommend. Eyeballing something is only gonna get you so far. So, just pick yourself up a nice tape measure or a nice little welding square. I use this all the time, super helpful. You're gonna need to mark those measurements, so I find Sharpies work great for that. You don't need to get any fancy paint markers. You can if you want, but I just get a box of Sharpies. When they dull out, toss them, get a new box. The next tool is gonna be probably the most used tool. Get yourself a nice set of welding pliers. This one has your cutoffs, little things to grab the MIG nozzle or the MIG tip. You need to grab anything, some needle nose, great all-around tool. Another all-around great tool, get yourself a portable light. Now, you might not realize it until you have one, but most of the time you can't see very much. You're welding in your garage, welding somewhere where there's not a lot of light. Get yourself one of these and welding will be so much easier. While this isn't absolutely necessary, the ANTI-SPATTER makes your projects come out so much better. You spray this on, the parts come out super clean. You don't have all those spatter balls all over your project. Great tool. The next major tool you're gonna need, it's not necessarily welding per se, but you're gonna be using it constantly. It's gonna be an angle grinder. You're gonna be cutting, cleaning, polishing, sanding materials, so get yourself a nice angle grinder. I started off with a cheaper one, but ended up breaking that, so just get yourself a nice one. So the last tool you're gonna need, and this is gonna be a shameless plug, it's gonna be a MIG gun holder. Now this is a kit that we offer, comes with everything you see here, all the individual pieces, and this magnet, which is ridiculously strong. While you don't have to buy ours, having one of these will make your life so much better. It'll make it so your MIG gun isn't like on the floor, it's always sitting on your welding bench, just sitting there perfect, ready to go. An extra credit tool, I know I just said last one, is gonna be a bench vise. I mean, I use this pretty much every day. You don't need one to do the job, but it makes it so much easier. So get yourself a nice one. If you guys like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys have any other questions or have any other welding content that you would like to see, please comment below.